Hey guys, Princess Junity back here again. Remember when I said a tiara? Well, here it is. And if you're watching this for the first time, I only have one other video, so it's not like you're late to the party. I'm gonna mukbang, but I am trying to lose weight, so it's like not gonna be as exciting as like a Trisha Paytas mukbang. But I did make this salad with miso dressing and spring mix. I have some wasabi green peas right here. And I got these the other day at Target with my mom. They're like little pickle bites. And I haven't eaten them yet. Mostly because I didn't want to eat them. But so I might not open them. I might save them for my roommate. Shitty mukbang, right? Honestly, my boyfriend is asleep in my room. And we're on Skype. And his headphones are making noises. But I was also awake anyway because I was just awake. Like, I woke up because he called me, but I wasn't mad or anything because I got hella high earlier and fell asleep, so I fell asleep hella early. And now it's 1:14 in the morning, but it feels more like 7 a.m. The salad's good. Let's see. Well, I don't have too much to talk about today. Mostly because I don't know what I should say to the internet and what I should keep to myself. You ever feel like that? You ever like want to tweet something? Or you tweet something and then regret it? Me. My friend Gary made me this bracelet. Oh, and that's Lacey. Lacey is my best friend. Damn. I dropped that one. You know what? I'm gonna try them. And see how they taste. Spicy pickle. There's 0 calories in this. How is that possible? Pickles have 0 calories. This definitely has calories. I don't know how many, but it has calories. It's got to. It's food. Like, maybe it's like not enough to put on the package, but what if like someone sees this and thinks they can just eat pickles and it's like they eat nothing, and then they get hella pickles everywhere, and what's gonna happen next? That's not gonna happen to anyone. It would only happen to me. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, the cat's back. Are you happy? Who's a good boy? He's literally a baby. Everyone's gonna like I don't know, if I ever get haters, they're gonna be like, oh, the fat girl who has no friends and a cat. But I have a cat, but I also have friends. And I might be overweight, but I'm losing weight. So they're gonna be wrong. They might not even attack me though, because this probably won't get famous. And people only attack famous people. Well, not only, but it's much more likely. Can you sit in my lap, kitty? I want to eat. I'm gonna eat my salad. Okay, bye. Bye. He just like jetted off. I wonder if you heard the sound he made. I wrote this song the other day, and it was like,